Welcome to Bestsellers Market. Today we have an exciting countdown of the best-selling arts, crafts, and sewing products on Amazon. These are the top products that crafters, artists, and DIY enthusiasts are raving about. So, without further ado, let's dive into our countdown and discover the must-have items that will elevate your creative projects to the next level. Imagine this. You open your backpack and reach inside, feeling the familiar contours of a sleek, stylish pencil case. This isn't just any pencil case. This is the CICIMELON large-capacity pencil case, a marvel of design and functionality. Crafted with high-quality, lightweight, and durable material, this pencil case is your new best friend. It offers unmatched protection against dust, scratches, and abrasions, ensuring your stationery stays pristine. And those strong metal zipper pulls, they're designed for easy gripping and control, making access a breeze. But let's talk space. With dimensions of 9.25 by 2.95 by 3.74 inches, this pencil case isn't just roomy, it's capacious. It comfortably fits up to 50 pens or pencils, sticky notes, and other stationery essentials. It's the perfect companion for anyone who loves to be organized, from school teens to busy professionals. What sets this pencil case apart is its thoughtful design. 3 compartments offer ample room to separate and organize your items, ensuring you find what you need when you need it. No more rummaging around. And the versatility? Unmatched. Whether you need a pencil pouch, a cosmetic bag, a craft pouch, or a travel accessory organizer, the CICIMELON pencil case adapts to your needs. It's the perfect multifunctional tool for everyone. Worried about customer service? CICIMELON has you covered. Any questions or issues? Simply reach out and you'll receive a satisfactory solution within 24 hours. In a world where organization meets style, the CICIMELON large-capacity pencil case stands tall. Transform the way you carry your essentials. Next up, number 9 in our countdown of best-selling arts, crafts, and sewing products on Amazon is a true game-changer, the Amazon Basics multi-purpose office scissors. These aren't just any ordinary scissors. Engineered for versatility, they effortlessly cut through paper, cardboard, fabric, and even photos. Imagine the precision and ease as you glide through your projects, thanks to these high-performance tools. What sets these scissors apart is their physical vapor deposition, or PVD, coated blades. This advanced coating makes the blades stronger than traditional stainless steel, ensuring they stay sharp beyond 100,000 cuts. Yes, you heard that right. 100,000 cuts. Imagine the durability and reliability at your fingertips. Comfort isn't sacrificed for performance. The soft grip handles provide a cushioned hold, making these scissors a joy to use whether you're right or left-handed. No more discomfort or strain, just smooth, effortless cutting every time. And let's talk design. Sleek, gray, and built to last, these scissors are a must-have addition to any office, craft room, or home workspace. Whether you're tackling a big project or just snipping a loose thread, these scissors are up to the task. The Amazon Basics multi-purpose office scissors are not just a tool. They're an upgrade to your crafting and office supplies. Precision, durability, and comfort all in one sleek package. Elevate your everyday tasks with these exceptional scissors. Now, let's dive into number 8 on our countdown of best-selling arts, crafts, and sewing products on Amazon. Introducing the iBiome 8 inches, all-purpose scissors, bulk 3-pack, a trio of cutting excellence that promises to elevate your crafting and everyday tasks. Picture this. 3 pairs of ultra-sharp 2.5 mm thick blade shears that make cutting through burlap, paper, cardboard, fabric, tape, and photos an absolute breeze. Whether you're sewing, tailoring, quilting, or simply handling daily tasks, these scissors are designed for precision and comfort. What makes these scissors stand out? It's the premium quality stainless steel blades. These high-density steel blades are 3 times harder than normal stainless steel, providing smoother cuts and incredible durability. The comfort grip holes are a game-changer, ensuring a comfortable hold whether you're right or left-handed. Say goodbye to hand fatigue, and hello to effortless cutting. Each pair is 8 inches of pure efficiency, perfect for almost any cutting need. From crafting intricate patterns to simply opening frozen food bags, these scissors do it all. Their straight handles offer precise control with just the right amount of friction, making them very comfortable to use. Imagine having 3 pairs of these high-quality scissors at your disposal. You'll never have to search for a reliable pair again. The CICIMELON 8 inches. All-purpose scissors are more than just a tool. They're an essential addition to your home, office, or craft space. Upgrade your cutting experience with the CICIMELON 8 inches. All-purpose scissors. Bulk 3-pack. Precision, durability, and comfort, all in one perfect package. Transform the way you cut, craft, and create. Moving on to number 7 in our countdown of the best-selling arts, crafts, and sewing products on Amazon. Let's talk about a staple that no creative toolkit should be without. The Amazon Basics Washable Liquid School Glue. Imagine this, a 5 FL Oz bottle of clear adhesive magic, ready to bring your projects to life. Whether you're working on a school project, a scrapbook, or a DIY masterpiece, this glue is your go-to solution. It effectively adheres paper, photos, cardboard, and more, ensuring your creations stay intact and look professional. What makes this glue a must-have? It's not just the strong bond it creates. The formula is safe, making it ideal for kids and adults alike. You can use it at school, at home, or in your arts and crafts endeavors without worry. And when it comes to cleanup, it couldn't be easier. This glue washes away effortlessly from hands and clothes, leaving no sticky residue behind. Let's talk dimensions. 2.5 by 1.3 by 5.75 inches. Compact and easy to handle, this bottle fits perfectly in your hand, allowing precise application every time. The clear formula means it dries invisible, so your projects look neat and polished. In a world where creativity meets practicality, the Amazon Basics Washable Liquid School Glue stands out. It's not just an adhesive, it's a tool for unleashing your imagination. Reliable, safe, and easy to use, it's the perfect companion for all your crafting needs. Transform your creative process with the Amazon Basics Washable Liquid School Glue. Strong, safe, and effortlessly washable. This is glue that works as hard as you do. Let's delve into number 6 on our countdown of best-selling arts, crafts, and sewing products on Amazon. The Apple Barrel Acrylic Paint in assorted colors, specifically in the vibrant 20503 white. First, let's talk about size. This 2-ounce bottle is incredibly versatile, making it perfect for everything from base coating to intricate stenciling. It's the ideal addition to your art supplies, offering just the right amount of paint for any project. What's truly captivating about this paint is the finish. It dries to a stunning matte, giving your creations a polished, professional look. Whether you're working on a detailed piece or a large canvas, this paint delivers a brilliant, consistent finish every time. Color is key, and the bright white of this acrylic paint will make your projects pop. Grab your brushes and get ready to add a burst of brightness to your DIY endeavors. The versatility of this paint is unmatched. Use it on wood, paper, canvas, styrofoam, paper mache, practically any surface you can imagine. It's a one-stop solution for all your creative needs. Ease of use is paramount, and cleanup couldn't be simpler. This water-based formula allows you to clean up easily with just soap and water while the paint is still wet. No more worrying about stubborn stains or messes. Manufactured proudly in the USA, Apple Barrel Acrylic Paint ensures quality and reliability. It's non-toxic, making it safe for artists of all ages. Expand your art supplies with this trusted brand and unleash your creativity. In a world where creativity knows no bounds, the Apple Barrel Acrylic Paint stands as a beacon of quality and versatility. Matte finish, bright color, and easy cleanup. Everything you need to bring your artistic visions to life. Elevate your projects with Apple Barrel. Are you enjoying the countdown of the best-selling arts, crafts, and sewing products on Amazon? Well, don't glue yourself to the couch, like, subscribe, and press the bell icon to stick around for more crafty content. Taking the 5th spot in our countdown of best-selling arts, crafts, and sewing products on Amazon, we have the ever-reliable Elmer's Disappearing Purple School Glue Sticks. A true essential for students, crafters, and DIY enthusiasts alike. Imagine this. You're working on a project, and precision is key. Elmer's glue sticks go on purple, allowing you to see exactly where you're applying the adhesive. No more guesswork, no more mess. And the magic? It dries clear, leaving your work neat and polished. These glue sticks offer a smooth application, making them incredibly easy to use. Whether you're working on paper, cardboard, foam board, or display board, Elmer's ensures a strong, reliable bond every time. It's the perfect tool for all your arts, crafts, and school projects. Safety and convenience go hand in hand. These glue sticks are acid-free, photo-safe, non-toxic, and washable. That means they're safe for kids and adults, easy to clean up, and gentle on your precious photos and projects. Each pack includes 3 generous 22-gram glue sticks, giving you plenty of adhesive power to tackle multiple projects. From creating intricate crafts to assembling school presentations, these glue sticks are versatile and indispensable. So, elevate your crafting and schoolwork with Elmer's disappearing purple school glue sticks. Precision, ease of use, and a clear finish, all in one indispensable product. Transform your projects with the trusted quality of Elmer's. Sliding into the 4th spot on our countdown of best-selling arts, crafts, and sewing products on Amazon, we have the Amazon Basics Washable School Glue Sticks. These are not just any glue sticks. They are the ultimate tool for precision and ease in your crafting arsenal. Imagine the convenience: a 2-pack of purple glue sticks, each 0.21 ounces. As you apply the glue, it goes on purple, giving you a clear visual guide. No more second-guessing where you've applied your adhesive. And the best part? It dries clear, leaving your projects looking flawless. These glue sticks effectively adhere to paper, paper cards, and more. Whether you're working on a school project, an intricate scrapbook, or a fun arts and crafts creation, this glue has you covered. The safe, non-toxic formula makes it ideal for all ages, ensuring that your crafting sessions are both fun and worry-free. Cleanup is a breeze with these washable glue sticks. A little soap and water are all you need to remove any residue from hands and clothes. No fuss, no mess, just pure creative joy. Compact and easy to handle, each stick measures 0.78 by 0.78 by 3.15 inches, fitting perfectly in your hand for precise application. This versatile tool is perfect for school, home, and all your artistic endeavors. Elevate your crafting experience with the Amazon Basics Washable School Glue Sticks. Precision, ease, and a clear finish, all wrapped up in one reliable product. Make every project a masterpiece with Amazon Basics. Now taking the spotlight at number 3 in our countdown of best-selling arts, crafts, and sewing products on Amazon, we have the Elmer's All-Purpose School Glue Sticks. This is not just another glue stick. It's a crafting revolution in a pack of 30. Imagine the seamless ease as you apply this glue, knowing it bonds effortlessly to paper, cardboard, foam board, display board, and so much more. It's the ultimate adhesive solution for all your crafting and school project needs. What makes these glue sticks truly exceptional? Their formula: washable, non-toxic, acid-free, and photo-safe. You can trust Elmer's to keep your projects safe and your photos pristine. Plus, the smooth application means no clumps, no mess, just a flawless finish every time. These glue sticks dry quickly and colorlessly, making them perfect for a variety of projects. From detailed arts and crafts to large school displays, Elmer's ensures that your work looks professional and polished. And with 30 glue sticks in each pack, you'll never run out in the middle of a project. Think about the convenience. 30 glue sticks, each 7 grams, providing you with ample adhesive power. They're perfect for classrooms, craft rooms, and home offices. No more scrambling for glue when inspiration strikes. Elevate your crafting and schoolwork with Elmer's all-purpose school glue sticks. Smooth application, quick drying, and an impeccable finish. Everything you need to bring your creative visions to life. Make every project a masterpiece with Elmer's. Securing the number 2 spot in our countdown of best-selling arts, crafts, and sewing products on Amazon is the ever-popular Elmer's Disappearing Purple School Glue Sticks. Let's explore why these glue sticks are an essential addition to any creative toolkit. Visualize the ease and precision as you apply this glue. It goes on purple, so you can clearly see where you're gluing, ensuring accuracy and eliminating guesswork. Then, as if by magic, it dries clear, leaving your projects looking neat and professional. The application is incredibly smooth, making it a joy to use. These glue sticks bond seamlessly to paper, cardboard, foam board, display board, and more. Whether you're tackling a school project, an intricate craft, or a DIY masterpiece, Elmer's glue sticks are up to the task. Safety and convenience are at the heart of these glue sticks. Acid-free, photo-safe, non-toxic, and washable, they are perfect for artists of all ages. You can let your creativity flow without worrying about harmful chemicals or difficult cleanup. A little soap and water are all you need to clean up any residue. Each pack includes 12 6-gram glue sticks, giving you plenty of adhesive power for all your projects. From school assignments to elaborate crafts, these glue sticks provide reliable bonding and easy application. Elevate your crafting experience with Elmer's Disappearing Purple School Glue Sticks. Smooth, precise, and magically disappearing. This is the glue that makes every project shine. Transform your creative process with Elmer's, where every detail matters. And here we are, at the pinnacle of our countdown, the #1 best-selling arts, crafts, and sewing product on Amazon. It's the ultimate tool for teachers, students, and crafters alike. Elmer's Disappearing Purple School Glue Sticks, now available in a generous 30-count pack. Picture this: a classroom buzzing with creativity, young minds hard at work, and the unmistakable glide of Elmer's glue sticks in action. The Disappearing Purple formula is a game changer. Kids can see exactly where they're applying the glue, ensuring precision and reducing mistakes. It dries clear, leaving a flawless, mess-free finish. Smooth application is key. These glue sticks go on like a dream, providing consistent coverage without clumps or residue. Perfect for poster presentations, arts and crafts, and any project that demands reliability and ease. Elmer's is the #1 teacher brand for a reason. Its washable, non-toxic, acid-free formula makes it safe for classrooms and homes. You can trust Elmer's to be gentle on kids' hands and your precious projects while still delivering a strong bond. Each pack contains 37-gram glue sticks, providing plenty of adhesive power to tackle any project, big or small. Whether you're stocking up for the school year, a big craft project, or just everyday use, this pack has you covered. Elmer's Disappearing Purple School Glue Sticks are not just a product, they're a staple of creativity and learning. Trusted by teachers, loved by students, and indispensable for crafters. Smooth, safe, and incredibly effective. Make every project a masterpiece with Elmer's, the name synonymous with quality and innovation in adhesive solutions. We hope you enjoyed our countdown of the best-selling arts, crafts, and sewing products on Amazon. To stay updated with all the top sellers, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. Check the pinned comment for links to all the products we covered today. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.